I am.
You're on YouTube?
Hi there. She's weird. Okay, so.
What is your blog going to be about today?
For real.
Yeah.
I got some Play-Doh.
Okay.
And where's the rubber band? I need a rubber
Tell
band.
people about your Play-Doh.
Stop it. Okay, so I got this Play-Doh. It's little. You're supposed to have it little to make a bouncy ball. I've tried this to make sure it worked. I got some Play-Doh, and there's Grand Theft Auto game on the TV. So I ripped this in half, and then I put it on the thing. So I'm gonna put fast motion on.
I've only seen better cuts on stars I represent.
So that part's done, and now we get the rubber band out in this part. We twist it together, and then we got this. Hold up. So now I need to put it on fast motion again. Stop. Okay, done. Ugh.
Look where you're going.
No, it's what the girl said.
Ow!
They're really
YouTube thing going on there.
I did.
Stay local.
Ciao, baby.
So
Ciao, Bella.
I got this thingy. It's really lumpy though, so I'm gonna put it on fast motion again, and I'm really just
She
gonna.
walking like Miss Rudy doing them steps.
I'm gonna roll it.
Wow, that must be Italian.
This is basically wire.
Yeah.
Where is Prentice Park?
Prentice Park, I don't know.
That's, you know where it's at? By that family center if you keep going.
It's around the corner from Rob.
Look, this is the wire right here. The Earl Street.
But I'm saying,
You go towards that fire station, keep going.
What's up, girl? I thought it catching up to me.
Probably over that street.
Such a buzz, no.
Done, and now let's see
Lauren,
how it bounces.
stay in touch.
Now get out of here.
That bounced about 10 feet high. I'm kidding, like 30 inches.
You're not letting me get nothing.
She's playing a game. And this is my sister. Oh, she's playing Grand Theft Auto. Sister. Sister. Game. Sister. Game. Yes, you are. Look.
This sucks.
Have fun. Bye.